Good morning, students. How are you? Yes, all are fine. Very good. Now, welcome to computer session. In this session, we are going to learn a interesting part of computer. Yes, and that is the different parts of a computer. Okay? So, let's start. We all know that our body is made up of different parts. You can see here. Yes, like eyes, ears, nose, hands, and legs. Also, we know that every part do its different function. Like we use our hands for writing or pick up the things. We use our legs for walking. Yes, eyes to see the things, and we have our brain to think. Our brain controls all the functions of our body. Like that, each body part has its different function. Like our body, computer also has different parts and their functions are also different. A computer has main five parts. They are monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard and memory. Yes, these are the main five important parts of computer. Let's learn about the parts one by one. Okay, now see the picture. Yes, the first part is our monitor. Yes, you can see the picture. How it looks like? Yes, the monitor looks like a television screen. It displays what we are doing on computer. We can see movies and play different games by using monitor. Yes, so do you understand what is monitor? Okay, very good. So let's move to the next part. Yes, that is CPU. So what is CPU? As we think with our brain, computer thinks with its CPU. So CPU is the brain of computer. Yes, we can say that CPU is the brain of computer. All other parts of the computer are connected to CPU. And like our brain, CPU also controls all the parts of the computer. So it is the most important part of computer. Now, what is the long form of CPU? So, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Yes, it is the long form of CPU. Understood both the parts, monitor and CPU? Okay. The next part of computer is mouse. Yes, you can see the picture there. Yes, it looks like a real mouse. Yes, it is a device with a long wire attached to it. Yes, you can see in the picture a wire is attached to the mouse. It is also connected to CPU. It is a pointing device. It is used for clicking and selecting. We can draw pictures using a computer mouse. Yes, so do you understood the part mouse? Yes, it is looks like a real mouse. It also has a long wire attached to it. It is connected to CPU and we can call is at a pointing device. Okay, so our next part is a keyboard. Yes, see the picture here. Yes, as we need a pencil to write on a paper, computer needs keyboard to type. Yes, so with the help of this keyboard we can type on computer. See the picture. You can see many small buttons on the keyboard. Yes, and these small buttons are called as keys. Yes, what is called as keys? We can easily type any alphabet or number using this keyboard. This is also connected to CPU. Yes, so as we need a pencil to write on paper, computer also needs a keyboard to write on it. Yes, it has many small buttons which is called as keys. Yes, and this keyboard is also connected to CPU. Now, the last important part of the computer, that is a memory. We can store many moments in our memory. Yes, and whenever we need to recall them, we just think and remember that from our memory. In the same way, computer also has a memory. It is a physical device which stores data and information like our brain. Yes, our memory also stores different things like that. Computer memory is also stores data and information. Whenever we need any information from the computer, we can get it from its memory. Okay, so understood the parts of computer, that are monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard and memory. Now, here we finish with the main parts of computer. Let's see the supplementary parts of computer that we can connect externally to CPU. Yes, we can connect that part externally to CPU like speaker, headphone. Yes, so what is speaker? This device we use for listening music on computer. Yes, with the help of speaker we can listen music on computer. Okay? By using headphone we can listen music without disturbing anyone. Yes, we can listen loud music without disturbing anyone. Now, the next part is printer. Yes, it is the device that helps us to take a print on paper what we see on monitor. Yes, we can take the print of that text or picture on paper with the help of printer. There are main two types of printer. One is inkjet printer and second is laser printer. Okay. So, our next part is scanner. It scans the data and stores that it in computer in the form of image. Yes, what scanner do? Scanner scans the data and stores that data in the computer in the form of image. Yes, now the next is compact disc, that is called as CD and pen drive. So, the CD and pen drive are the storage devices in which we can store or save our data. After that, we can easily carry them with us anywhere, and we can transfer data into other computer with the help of CD and pen drive. Okay, so these are the supplementary parts of computer: speakers, headphones, printers, scanners, CD and pen drive. So all of you understood the parts of computer? So here we finish with our lesson, the parts of computer. I hope you all understood the lesson. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.